The FNRSI 5000 meter spot welder is equipped with a dual pulse system that minimizes spark spatter and ensures consistent energy output for stable welding. This portable spot welder boasts a high-capacity A-grade battery, allowing it to weld thousands of spots on a single charge and doubling as a power bank. With 4 adjustable combination gears, it can handle welding thicknesses from 0.1 mm to 0.25 mm, making it versatile for various materials like nickel, iron, and stainless steel. The brass spot welding pen features a detachable head, offering durability and cost efficiency by eliminating the need for full pen replacements. Its 1.8-inch LCD screen provides real-time updates on welding status, battery voltage, temperature, and other critical parameters, enhancing user control. Manufactured by Westobig FNRSI, this spot welder is an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals working with battery packs and metal sheets.